Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com token. We're going to be talking about Cronos. Also, I'm going to frame the Bitcoin markets for you as a whole. A big story broke today about Celsius, and we're going to talk about that. That's a big exchange. So we got a lot to cover. So let's get into it. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep these streams coming at you guys. So let's check out the charts here for the day. Peeking at the crypto market caps, we're currently sitting at a crypto market cap of $900 billion. So these markets are stabilizing right now. Bitcoin struggled over the last week, came down, especially yesterday. And now today we're back up above $20,000. Ethereum above 1,100, which is good to see. The markets are really, flat right now. Over the last 7 days, you're not seeing a lot of crazy movement. Doge is down 10%. Maybe that has to do with a little bit of the information going on with Elon Musk and the Twitter deal. So that might be a little bit of the cause there. Avalanche is down a touch. Polygon Matic is exploding this week, which is great to see. That is an awesome project. Uniswap up 15%. FTX and Crypto.com, the exchange tokens, are down just a touch, but they're doing great. Right now, you got to peek at the Bitcoin price to get a feel for this market. So peeking at the crypto market cap for Bitcoin, it's at 386 billion right now, making up 42% of the market. And Bitcoin is kind of down. Let's get to the candle chart. Bitcoin is down here to its $20,000 price level, which is actually back down to the 2017 highs and back to in December of 2020 when these markets exploded back upward again. So 2017 high is that 20K, and then we broke out and it struggled right here, and then we came up, and now we're testing it all again. So we're really in a point where we're either going to come down in a big way, or we have a chance to have a rebound. And if we rebound, then from 20,000 we could go to 30 in a hurry. Of course, at the low end of this, if we do break down, then we're looking at about $9,000 to $12,000, most likely at 9.5K to 11K range would be my prediction. If we broke below 17, 15, if we broke a little bit lower. But if we take a peek at Crypto.com right now, Crypto.com sitting at 12 cents. It went up a little bit today. If you look at the last year, it is way down. If you look at the all-time chart, it's doing something similar to Bitcoin, except a little more drastic on the downturn. Now, right now, we are currently about 1 year, July 4th, I believe, is the official Bitcoin happening, and it comes next year, July 4th. So 1 year from July 4th, Bitcoin's reward to its miners gets cut in half, and Bitcoin will become more scarce, and the price will go up. That's the 4-year cycle, 4.5-year cycle you hear people talk about. Right now, we're in a crypto winter. We're all waiting a crypto bull run. Well, right now, you will wait for the Bitcoin happening, and the fear and greed index is way low, and the fear is very high. This is when we need to be greedy, and we need to see these prices, and we need to go, wow, what an incredible discount. Now, I'm not saying put all your money in Crypto.com today, because right now, if Bitcoin breaks below $20,000, it breaks down to 10K, well, then you can see Crypto.com crash from 11 cents down to 5 or 4 cents. Because if Bitcoin goes down by half, you better bet that these altcoins are going to go down by half, if not more. So that's kind of how we operate. But Crypto.com is doing a great job. They're staying strong, unlike some other exchanges out there. So Celsius, look at this article. CNBC reports, embattled crypto lender Celsius files for bankruptcy protection. Crypto company Celsius has started the process of filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. CNBC's reported that the company's lawyers were notifying individual U.S. state regulators of those plans, but they didn't want to be named. So also, originally they made some headlines because of the extreme market conditions. They actually freezed some of the transactions, right? So they freezed customer accounts, and they were kind of blaming extreme market conditions. Well, we're kind of seeing they were extreme market conditions. They're struggling, and they need to file for bankruptcy. And what it says in this article is that there are other joins a list. They are joining a list of other high-profile crypto bankruptcies. FTX and Crypto.com are not on that list. They're doing fantastic. FTX is strong in its own way. They bought out Blockfolio, which is a great platform. Really great to track your portfolio. It was an app. They acquired it. They bought stadiums in Miami. They bought sponsorships on umpire jerseys in the MLB. They're on commercials. So is Crypto.com. They bought the Staples Center. These exchanges are doing fantastic. Now, this one didn't do so fantastic, and they're not the only one. Voyager had an issue as well, and Three Arrows Capital, which is a huge hedge fund for crypto, actually they're fleeing. They got liquidated and they're just like fleeing the markets, which gets really complicated. But this is some of the crazy things going on. In the meantime, you've got Crypto.com holding strong. Now, guys, I'm over on the website. There's Matt Damon. He did a great job with that ad. Everybody hates him for it, which is funny. I laugh. Actually, South Park just did a spoof on all the crypto influencers. Kind of a funny episode. I'm not mad about it. I think it's funny. And the more exposure, bad press is good press. So, you can see that through history. Fortune favors the brave is a great slogan because right now, you got to be brave. The fear and greed index is very low. Everybody's afraid. You're afraid that Bitcoin might go to 10K. Don't put all your money in today. You got a DCA and you got a hodl and you got to buy low and you got to sell high. You should have a holding portfolio and you should have kind of a swing trade profit trading portfolio. That should probably be a little bit smaller than your holding portfolio, but still it's good to practice taking profits. Guys, fortune favors the brave. If you're brave right now and you are buying while others are fearful and you're selling when others are greedy, then that is when you get your fortunes. And that's what we're waiting for. In approximately 1 year, Bitcoin halving will be coming, and Crypto.com is going to be one of the top exchanges when that happens. And they're going to pop off along with FTX. So guys, make sure you're not missing out on these exchange tokens. Very, very big opportunity for everybody. That's all I got in today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you want some free money to sign up for Crypto.com, use our referral code in the link down below. You can get some free money when you sign up. Also, free money when you deposit any money into Femex as well, which is a great leverage trading platform. Be careful with leverage always, but it is a good financial tool if used appropriately. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.